The best SurfShark coupon code here on your device, how you can find them. Firstly, click on thewire.com. That is the first website to find the best promo codes available for SurfShark. As you can see, for free 2 years subscription or VPN free, you can use the code on thewire.com. Here you can see there is an option to copy the code from here. Whenever you will click it, a code will be appeared. You can copy it and paste it on official SurfShark website. The second website is Tech Reader in front of you, that will give you a review of the best and available promo codes for this SurfShark VPN. On the first, you can see claim 73% discount. On the next one, you can get 3 months free and different type of coupon or discount code from here. You can copy it and you can enjoy it. Now, the third website is VPN Mentor. In this website, you will get a lot of coupon, the same as previous websites. Copy it and you can paste it, enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video.